This challenge is called Get Ahead. It's an easy level challenge from the web exploitation category from the picoCTF 2021 event. The description says, find the flag being held on this server to get ahead of the competition. And we have a link to a website. What we need to do is we need to right-click on this and put this in a new tab. And we see here that we have a web page with a couple of buttons. There's choose red and choose blue. So we can click on this one, choose red, and then we can click on this one, choose blue. And what it looks like it's doing is it's setting the background color for the web page. Okay, so what we can do is we can take a look at the page source for this web page. And we're going to do that by right-clicking and selecting View Page Source. All right, so inside of the code, we see that we have some actions that we're doing, and we have some HTTP methods. So the method here is the get method, and the button in this case is associated with the choose red option. So it's sending it to this web page with the get method to index.php. The other option is this one right here. So we're sending it to index.php, but the method is different. In this case, the method is post. So if we send the post method to this page, then we choose blue and the background color of the page changes to blue. All right, so we have the get method and the post method, but what if we try another HTTP method? So let's try that. So over in our web shell, we're going to be using curl to send a custom request to the web page. So first we need to do curl, curl, and then we're going to make this a very verbose output, and then we're going to do the -I flag for the head method, the head HTTP method rather. Okay, the last thing we need to do is we need to supply the name of the website. So the website is this right here. It's the index.php. So we just need to copy all the way over to index.php and copy that address. And then go over to the web shell and paste it in. So after we send off this request, in the response, we get the flag. So flag this, picoCTF, reject the duality. So we were able to get different results from this website by sending different HTTP methods. So if we sent the get method versus the post method versus the head method over here, we got different responses from the website. All right, so copy the flag. Then on the challenge page, paste the flag in and click on Submit Flag. And then we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.